everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week, let's learn a really cool punk rock song by Green Day, When I Come Around. This song is based on one main chord progression and I will show you 3 ways of playing it, ranging from a very easy version to one that sounds pretty close to the original one. You only need 5 chords to play When I Come Around, and they are G, D, E minor, C and A. Having said that, let's start working on the song. This is the main chord progression of When I Come Around. It is used for the verse and the chorus, and also for the intro and the solo. As I said, I will show you 3 different ways to play this chord progression. Let's start with a very easy one. This is ideal if you are a beginner. The strumming pattern goes like this. 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down. One more time. 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down. If you've noticed, in the chord progression you have 2 chords within one measure, which means you're gonna be playing 2 chords within one strumming pattern. Like this. 3, 4, G, D, E minor, C. Now let me play the entire verse for you. 3, 4, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, E minor, C. Now let me show you another way to play this, which is a bit more interesting and that you should really try. This is the strumming pattern. As you can see, it goes across 2 measures and it goes like this. 3, 4, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Again, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. By the way, in the first measure, I'm changing chord on the upstroke, like this. 3, 4, G, D, E minor, C. This pattern might be trickier to play, but it sounds much closer to what they play in the song. You might have noticed that after strumming E minor, there's a rest, a pause, and that's why I stopped the sound. To stop the sound, I'm using the pinky, and at the same time, I'm lifting up the other fingers, like this. Again. You can also rest your right hand on the sound hole, like this. And that also works. Having said that, let's play the verse with this new strumming pattern. 3, 4, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, E minor, C. Okay, time to show you the third way of playing this chord progression. This is actually my favorite one, and it sounds as close as it gets with a ukulele to how Billy Joe Armstrong plays it on the guitar. It goes like this. 3, 4. Let's break it down. First of all, let me say that the PM that you see above the tabs means palm muting. To palm mute, rest your right hand on the strings when playing, like this. The more you press, the less sound you have. One more thing, the symbol that looks like an M means downstroke and the one that looks like a V, upstroke. So the first measure is not too difficult. You have 0 to twice. Essentially here you're playing G, but you're only strumming the first 2 strings. Then 0, 2 and 3, but this time without palm muting. And then 0, 2 and 0, 0 with palm muting. All together 3, 4. Then you move to D and you have 2 and 2 twice, and then 2, 2 and 5 without palm muting, and then you end with 2 and 2 and 0, 0 with palm muting. All together. Now let's play the entire first measure. 3, 4. Okay, let's see what happens next. So you have 0, 4 with palm muting, then E minor without palm muting, then 0, 0 with palm muting, and then C5 twice. So 0, 0, 3 and 3 without palm muting. And then all the 4 strings open twice with palm muting. All together, 3, 4. Let's play the entire riff now. 3, 4. This might seem complicated, but you don't have to play it exactly as I did. What is more important here is that you get the vibe of this part. Now let's have a look at the pre-chorus. The strumming pattern goes like this. 3, 4, down, 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 down. One more time. 3, 4, down, 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 down. This is the chord progression. The second time you play C, strum only the first 5 downstrokes, and then you stop. Anyway, let me play the pre-chorus for you so that you understand better what I mean. 3, 4, A, C, A, and now C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that was the pre-chorus. To stop the sound, simply rest your left hand fingers on the fretboard. Now you know all the parts that you need to play the entire song. After the pre-chorus, they move to the chorus, which is essentially the same as the verse. And it's when they sing the line "When I Come Around." Anyway, this is the structure. During the solo, they use the main chord progression of the song. The solo is quite easy to play, and if you want to learn it, let me know in the comments and I'll do a tutorial for it. Having said that, let's have a play along where I'm gonna be playing the verse using the more challenging part I showed you, the pre-chorus and the chorus. And then you can decide how to arrange your own cover of When I Come Around. The tempo will be 98 BPM. So get ready, you're about to start playing. The aim of this tutorial was to give you an overview of When I Come Around by Green Day, so that you can put together your own cover of it. On my Patreon page, you can find the tabs, the chord chart and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower and another one even slower. One last thing, if you want to play the song in the original key, tune your ukulele a half step down, or alternatively use these chords. By the way, don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn this song. And if you want to take your playing to the next level, have a look at my free course here on YouTube and download my free 8-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process to follow to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I got available at the moment. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!